Bro, it is snowing hard out here. My nose is dripping right now. Damn. Oh shit. Fuck. I'm a snowboarder and I'm about to snowboard in the snow. Alright y'all, good morning. Today is Monday, bro. This is the first day of snowboarding season. I already told y'all in the last video that y'all gonna see more snowboarding videos. But the thing about this year, it look cold outside. But I got a little secret I gotta tell y'all. So, I actually got my snowboard a while ago. I haven't told y'all this, but I've been holding my snowboard to the side, and I haven't showed y'all my snowboard that I got. And we just put it together. Nikki's dad helped me put it together. The best birthday gift, bro. I didn't even show y'all this birthday gift. This is a birthday gift that I didn't even get to show y'all. This season, this year, I don't have to buy no rentals or nothing like that. But I'm about to show y'all my board real quick. Let me show y'all my board. Hold on. Where is it? Okay, there we go. Let me show y'all my board. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think. I like it. I love it so much. Boom. Snowboard season, bro. Snowboard season. Let me get a better angle. Hold on. On top of that, I gotta get stickers for my board. You know what I'm saying? I want to get stickers. These are my goggles. I don't think y'all seen my goggles. I had got my goggles my first year of snowboarding. This drum cost me about like $100. But like, I don't know if I'm gonna wear it today. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it today while snowboarding. But these Jones is fire. I got Nikki the same pair, not the Spy though, not the Spy Plus, but she has white, and this is like a blue, purple lit. Like it's a different, you know what I'm saying? It's tough. If we find it, I'm gonna show y'all. But this is my board, bro. This is my board, bro. Look at that joint. All my favorite colors: black, white. You got spray paint, and it also has carbon fiber. It has carbon fiber somewhere on here. I don't know if it's my my bindings, but my bindings is black, red, and white. But if you can see it right here, because basically this how it's gonna look when I'm snowboarding. Let me show you. Like this. You know what I'm saying? So you can see the black. I mean, you can see the red and white. It came with the sticker, like the board I got. It came with the sticker, but it's corny though. I'll show you what the sticker look like. But hold on, let me put this on the floor so y'all can see it in the actual light. Let me show y'all something. You know what I'm saying? This is what it looks like in the actual light. All you have to do if you never snowboarded before, these are your bindings, your board, and then my boots. My boots is in there. That's another thing I didn't show you. My boots is in there. And this is the sticker that it came with. I don't like this sticker. You know what I'm saying? This is the brand, so if you want to buy a snowboard, you can look up this brand. But this sticker's whack. I didn't like this sticker, but my boots is fire. This is what my boots look like. I like simple colors because whenever I can match it with whatever I want. You know what I'm saying? But these are my boots right here that I'm gonna wear today. Brand new boots, bro. Brand new snowboard boots. You know what I'm saying? Brand new snowboard boots. These are the boots that I got. So these is mad comfy. And this doesn't have a string. So all you have to do is like, you know what I'm saying? And pop it out to loosen it. So yeah, these are my boots. And then this is my stuff. But hold on, I'm about to show you what it looks like. Basically, the way I have my board set up is I'm duck footed. I don't know what you call it, but duck footed just means that it's like your bindings is pointed out a little further, and that way you could go down like forward, like you could go down the ramp like right side first, or you can go down the ramp left side first. You know what I'm saying? I normally go down the ramp left side first because my dominant leg is my right leg. This is what my stuff look like. Besides that, me and Nikki has no toothpaste, so I have to go run to the store real quick to go grab her some toothpaste so we can brush our teeth. We're gonna try to get out of here by 8. You know what I'm saying? It's already like 7:30. I woke up at 7. I woke up, I used the bathroom, and then I came up here, started talking to y'all, you know what I'm saying? So I still gotta get dressed and get ready and stuff, and then we about to leave, you know what I'm saying? It was better to get there early because you could get a good parking spot and you could start getting on the ramps. This year I ain't gotta pay for nothing, bro. I got my lift ticket, I got my board, so I ain't gotta get rentals, and I got everything else. We about to be active this morning, bro. We is about to be active. I'm gonna try to do a couple of things. I'm gonna try to hit some ramps. I've been getting better because y'all only seen me snowboard once last year. One time I snowboarded about like 1, 2, because y'all seen me on the second time. 3, 4, like maybe 5 times already. This is my 6th time probably. We're gonna hit some tricks today. Y'all can see my progress from the last time to now. And yeah, I'm gonna go try to find me some toothpaste to brush my teeth and get ready for my day. And after that, bro, we about to head to Mount Charleston to snowboard today. All right, y'all, we're on our way to snowboarding right now. I'm very excited. It's raining outside. So Nikki said that it's snowing up there, so it's gonna be really cold, bro. I got 3 shirts on. I got a white beater, 2 black shirts on, and a long sleeve, and a hoodie. And I brought my snow jacket right here. I got 2 shorts on, sweats, and then my snow pants. So hopefully that'll be good. And I bought some gloves too. You don't know how long I've been waiting for snowboarding. I think I like it so much because I got better at snowboarding. You know what I'm saying? So like, if you're not really good at snowboarding and you keep falling and you keep like messing up, you falling like really bad, and I can see why you don't like it. If you ever try snowboarding and it's really hard, keep trying it because eventually it gets easier as you keep going. Are you ready, babe? You excited? What about you, instructor?
Oh, instructor. No, you're past that.
Oh, we're past that already?
Oh, you're intermediate, babe.
Y'all already know I got the best instructor, man. W instructor, teach you how to do everything. Snowboard, shoot guns, and rob crocodiles. Y'all, look at all this snow, bro. It's snowing. It's literally snowing outside. Oh my God, the snow's in Vegas. Fresh snow, look at that. Bam, 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 bam. Bro, this is fire. Y'all, it's snowing out here, bro. I ain't bring no hat or nothing. Look at all that snow.
Babe, you don't want to put something warm on? You don't want to put your stuff on?
No, I'm about to, y'all. I didn't even think it was going to be snowing, bro. But all right, y'all, we're going to get dressed right now. Put our snow gear on real quick. It's cold, but it's not that cold. But I brought a jacket. But it is cold though. But once you get active and like start moving around, I don't think it's gonna be that bad.
Babe, your hair is so snowy.
Damn, I should have brought a hat, bro. We're about to get dressed real quick. I gotta put some of my snow gear on and stuff. So it's cold, bro. It's cold, and I gotta pack all my camera stuff in my bag because I'm gonna bring my stuff in. All right, let me put my boots on. Santa baby, tell me if you're there. Oh, bro, I'm not used to the snow. We live in Vegas. It don't snow in Vegas. Let me put my brand new J's on real quick. Ugh. Okay. Holy cannoli, bruh. Do you know what holy cannoli means? Holy cannoli. Alright, y'all, we finally got ready, bro. It's taking me a while because it's snowing, so I had to switch to my mic. So everything else could be good. Alright, let's go. Bro, it is snowing hard out here. It's snowing hard out here. Are you cold, Mr. Richard?
I'm not hot.
Oh, okay, so you're cold.
Hot. I'm not.
Bro, my nose is dripping right now. Yeah, I'm pretty cold. I'm not used to the snow, bro. So like recording in the snow is very different for me. But next time we know, cause Nikki was just telling me that I should get a waterproof camera case. I didn't come prepared, but it's all good. We still gonna have fun. We still about to hit the snow for the first time this year. I've been waiting months to hit the snow. If you guys know any snow gear, cause this is my new snowboard, let me know what type of stickers. Well, you know what I'm saying? I want to put stickers on my snowboard and like hook it up and make it all like customizable and stuff. But we're walking to, damn, I'm out of breath. we're walking to the entrance right now to go down the hill. So there's only 2 hills open. The big one is not open, but the little bunny hill and one of the hills that I really like to go on is open. So we're about to do those.
Let's go.
Whew. Are you ready, babe? How you feeling?
I'm out
Nikki's out of breath already.
of
I got boogers coming out my nose right now. I got You see my boogers?
Yeah, I see your boogers.
Hold on, let me wipe my nose, y'all. Once we start snowboarding, I'm gonna warm up. I already know that for a fact. But usually, you know how I have 2 jackets on? Sometimes I take my bigger jacket off and I snowboard with my sweater, but not today. Is someone on the big hill, babe?
No, those are the snow machine
Oh,
to make the snow.
that's crazy, bro. Look at all this snow. It's packed, but I kind of like going on Mondays because it's like, it just opened up, so it's not as packed as it usually is. You know what I'm saying? Usually it's a little bit more busier, but I like it. It kind of like calm. Good way to start my Monday morning.
It's a good workout, bro.
Yeah, it's a workout. Yeah, it's a workout for sure. You gonna hit a ramp today?
Yeah, I'll hit a ramp.
You gonna hit a ramp? Nikki's an OG, bro.
Woo.
Yeah, it's really cold outside, y'all. But this is the oh no, barely no one's on the baby slope. That's where I started, the baby slope.
That's it. They put terrain like the ramps.
Oh, they did?
The baby slope.
Oh, I see. Didn't they always have that? No?
No, not usually.
You're not cold?
No.
You look so cute with your little snow hat. Look at
Yeah?
this. Look at baby in her snow hat.
On my surfboard?
Oh, let me see. This is Nikki's snowboard, y'all. I almost slipped.
You almost slipped?
Yeah, I almost slipped.
Don't slip, babe. Is it snow stuck in my lashes?
Huh?
Is this snow stuck in my lashes?
Yeah, I know it's stuck in my hair.
Oh yeah, it's stuck in your hair.
All right, y'all, so we finally got to our slope. Hop on the bunny hill real quick. Try it out.
Open.
That's the only thing that's open, the bunny hill? Not
Wait, I don't
not the
know.
one over there?
Yeah, I guess so. Is the other one open too, Dad? The other lid?
On the left side, it says 3 lifts are open. So I
Oh, that's 3.
one, that little ramp thing,
And then the top one right there.
and the banana.
Oh, oh.
Wow.
Bro, it's like snowing heavy out here, bro. Yeah, it's snowing. Back to the bunny hill. This is where it all started, y'all. My instructor was teaching me right here at this hill too.
You probably don't want to go where it's slanty.
So you want to go right here?
Not bad.
Yeah, probably like right here.
Right here? Okay.
I'm gonna,
Oh, because it's rocky right there. I guess so.
Up here, babe. Right here. Look.
minus through the back. Oh, they only pop twice.
Right here is cool?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at baby. Look at baby. Here, want me to help you?
No.
You got this thing?
What are you gonna do, babe?
I'm waiting for you to get on your board.
You sure?
All right, let me make sure I ain't got nothing in my pockets. Oh, your dad's key.
Oh, alrighty.
Hopefully my phone don't come out.
I don't think so.
I don't think so, but you never know. All right, y'all, I'm about to get on my board for the first time. First time getting on my board. All right, come on. Ugh. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous because I haven't snowboarded in mad long, so I am a little nervous because I haven't done it in how many months? Got to put this joint on.
You might want to sit down, Stink, no?
No. I feel like my crack is showing. Is my booty crack showing?
Oh.
How do you know when it's tight?
When it stops clicking.
So like that?
Yeah.
And then these ones go up here now? Like that?
Yeah.
Damn it.
You might want to sit down, babe.
Bro, I'm struggling. Bro, you know why it's harder for me? Cause my pants is hella tight. Bro, my pants is hella small. I can't even like stretch my, I can't even Okay.
Okay. Rick, no biting
Yeah.
here?
Okay.
All right.
Damn. Thank you, man. It's like easy. It's like second nature, low key though. Like it's not that bad. It's like riding the skateboard. Today's snowy, y'all. It's really snowy. It's like snowing bad. Oh, ah, my butt. Ouch. That hurt my ass. That wasn't too bad first go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad at all. Damn. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, oh.
I think I'm gonna put it in.
All right, y'all, we just got on the lift to get to the bigger one. It's a bigger hill up here. This is the one that I like. It's like the baby hill, then it goes like a medium, then it goes very, very steep. That's all the way up there, but that one's close. So it's only this one right here where people are going down, and then the one that we're about to go down. So the one that we're about to go down, it's a little bit longer. It's like a baby hill, but it's a little bit longer. So I like it though. I'm struggling today, y'all. I don't know what's going on. I'm struggling putting my board on. I'm struggling with my boots. But it's all good. We still having fun. I'm still having fun. First time going down wasn't too bad though.
Huh?
Why did you like your first time going down, babe? I mean, it should be easy for you.
Yeah.
Yeah. First time going down wasn't bad at all. What you about to do, babe? Throw a snowball? Ugh. Ah! You look like you sagging.
You look like I'm sagging?
Yeah. Oh, don't fall, babe. Don't fall. I like how they have this. I like how they have this ramp. Cause it's not, I mean, usually they have the little things where you can sit in and they take you up there. I don't know if y'all can see it cause it looks a little bit wet on the camera, but I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's down there. Instead of having a little lift, they had these little belt machines that could take you up. And this is the one that we're going on right now. This one right here. Oh. Oh, babe. Oh, 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 oh. It's cold.
My back hurts.
Your back hurts?
Yeah.
Yeah, my legs hurt. My feet hurt. Ugh.
You just gotta break them in, that's fine.
Yeah, I think I have to break in my shoes. All right, ready to get on the lift?
Yeah.
Time. Oh, babe, scoot over.
Oh my God! I'm slip.
Hey, Bookie. All right, y'all. So we're on the lift right now. This is kind of what it looks like. I know this don't be getting high, bro. I used to be scared to get on these, but these ain't. It's not too bad though. It's not too bad. Once you get used to it, it's not too bad at all. These are the people. See, a little bit more people's on here. A little bit more people's on this one. This one's nice. It's still like a baby hill though. All right, y'all, we just got to the top of this hill. Look how steep it is. I used to be scared going down this hill. Here you go, baby love. Nikki's a W cameraman, bro. Shout out to Nikki for helping me. Okay. Bro, these pants, I gotta get new snow pants. All right, y'all, moment of truth. See if I could get down this hill. Okay.
Good job.
Thank you, instructor. All right, y'all, you ready? Yeah. Whew. I'm waiting for my instructor, y'all. Ooh, see, doing this is a little challenging. Oh shit. This is rough. It's harder because the snow's not groomed. They cleaned my board, so I ain't tripping. Bro, did you see that?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm good. I don't like that the snow is not. Yeah.
That's why I told you it's more better when there's snow.
It's okay.
Because your snowboard sticks onto the snow.
All right, we're gonna have to take this one. This is the first round, y'all. This is the first time going down this hill. It's like, bro, I'm not gonna lie. You could tell that the snow is mad uneven. I don't know how he just did that, but like, so babe, when I'm doing it right, do I put my weight in the front or the back? The back? See that? Well, what about when I'm trying to go down? Okay. See, this is, I gotta swing it a little harder, that's why. Bro, once that joint get caught in the front, it's wraps. See, I could go down left or right, but one thing y'all don't want to do when y'all snowboarding is like, you know how I'm like slanted right now? Like, you know how I'm slanted right now? Do not let it get caught in the front, bro. Don't let it get caught in the front. Cause like once you do that, it's wraps. It's like kind of, this was not bad. See, cause I put my weight in the middle. When I snowboard like this, I put my weight in the middle. All right, I'm about to hit this. How was that, baby? That was cool? Yeah, I ate it, what, 2 times? I fell 2 times. I wonder why my feet kind of hurts a little bit.
Because you're just breaking them in.
Oh, I'm breaking in my boots?
Yeah, but most of the time, it might hurt, because even my feet hurt right now.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. All right, Charlie, we about to go again. Oh, man. That wasn't too bad. I fell 2 times. That was not too bad at all, though. For my second time snowboarding, and especially having done this in a minute, kind of proud of myself, bro. The biggest one that they do have on here is really steep, bro. It's really steep. I'm still scared to get on the bigger one. Usually baby and her dad does that one. I'll see if I can catch up to the big dogs. You having fun, babe? Yeah? Nikki's hat is all wet. Mm-hmm. What about you, instructor? You having fun?
Yes.
Yeah?
But my butt is wet.
Oh, your butt is wet?
Is wet
My butt's wet too. Yeah, my butt is wet too. The snow is finally starting to calm down, bro. Finally starting to calm down.
Oh, maybe that's the opposite.
Damn it.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm cool.
Sting.
It's all good.
Oh no.
I thought I was about to go down this hill. I ain't want to go down that hill.
Oh snap.
All right, y'all, we just finally got to the top. I just fell coming down that damn slope right there. Look at your dad. You want me to go first? Yeah? You think the snow will be a little bit groomed now that people's going down it?
Maybe a little bit.
Ooh. Damn. Look at all that damn snow, though. Rear foot light. It's not that bad going down this time. Babe, what is this called? Side to side? I'm zooming, boy. Look at me now. Hey, hey. See, like when I be turning, I notice that I gotta put more of my weight on the back. Oh shit, on the back like that. But that wasn't too bad, huh? I know I did, right? That wasn't too bad. Right there. We almost at the bottom, y'all. Yeah. You ready? Ooh. Yeah, I guess when I'd be turning it a little lighter, when I turn a little lighter, I guess I could kind of do it a little better. I didn't want to hit that lady. How am I doing? Doing good? Yeah, rate my snowboard skills in the comments, man. I got better and better. All right, we already at the end. That's it. Like, it's so quick that we already at the bottom. Oh, babe. Oh, shit. You okay? It's okay. All right, y'all. So Nikki fell really bad. It was a bad fall. But this is our last time going down here, so we're gonna go down this thing real fast, and that's it, bro. That's it for today. It was still good. I still had fun. I had fun snowboarding. All right, we're gonna go down slow, y'all, this time, since this is our last time, but I think I did good. I think I did good, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I think I did fairly good. It's a little rough. It's a little rough, bro. I'm scared to even, hold on. Let me go down this way. Yeah, it's rough. Like, it's just hard to even go forward. Yeah, it's just hard to even go forward. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try to go faster. I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared on this round. All right, y'all, I made it down safely. Thank God. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try to hit this ramp before we leave. We're on the baby hill, so it's a baby ramp. It's a baby ramp. But I'm gonna try to do it. It's my first time doing a trick. Nah, be careful, it's a baby ramp. I'm out of breath. I think it's because there's a lot of people. All right, let's hit this ramp. I think I like going down this way. This way is the better way. Here's another one, y'all. I'm gonna try to hit this one. No? Why? I was struggling trying to get down, bro. I don't know why I was struggling trying to get down. I could have done that one. All right, y'all, I'm done. That's it. I'm done snowboarding. I'm done, y'all. That was it. I hit my little ramp. Nice little baby ramp. It's still snowing. And it's like super, it's snowing a little bit harder now, but all right, y'all, we're gonna go one more last time probably for Nikki, and we're about to get up out of here. All right, y'all, we finally got back home. It was crazy. It started snowing a little bit harder. I was scared to even have my camera out, to be honest with you, because it was so much snow that when it got on the camera was wet, like the camera was drenched. We kind of just snowboard around for a little bit, went down a couple of slopes. The last thing I did was hit that ramp that y'all seen. I hit the ramp and that was fun. After that we just kind of left, you know what I'm saying, enjoyed our ride back home. It was only probably what 20 to 30 35 minutes back home, so it wasn't too bad. But Nikki just hopped in the shower right now. I'm about to hop in the shower real quick. But yeah, that was our first snowboard session of this year, you know what I'm saying, of this upcoming year. So we got the rest of this month and we got December, so you guys are definitely gonna see more snowboard. Y'all gonna keep seeing snowboard videos, you know what I'm saying, but every time we do it, I'm gonna try to do something different, you know what I'm saying. Since it was my first time back in a while, it was kind of like me, I was like getting into it, you know what I'm saying. I was trying to like get into it, trying to feel it out a little bit. The snow was mad, like it was rough. The snow was rough. It was hard for me to stop and it was hard for me to like kind of catch my balance a little bit, but I had fun. So I love you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna be doing a lot more snowboarding stuff. I'm gonna try to take my parents snowboarding, so my mom, Louie, my sister, my brother, and all that stuff. I'm gonna try to take them snowboarding pretty soon. But yeah, I love y'all guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch y'all in the next video, man.